What is that meter number?
34161. She just kind of faded away at the end there.
I didn't say it very
What
loud.
happened? You gonna pass out or what?
No.
All right, got it.
That's an analog meter.
Okay.
Have you done this before, miss?
Yeah.
That's just a good old electromechanical.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Westinghouse.
It is. If this has got the date on it or not.
I tried to find the date on it yesterday.
Did you?
I didn't see one.
It looks nice and new.
Well, we cleaned it up
Thank you.
and calibrated it
Tried
and
to find
everything, make
some-
sure it was all.
Cool.
Some better glass.
What a pro. Good job.
Okay.
This is all there is to it, you guys?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. How much schooling do you have to do this?
Well,
I know
3
there's
years.
a lot more to
3
it than
years.
this.
I'm an
but-
apprentice, so.
Cool.
we wire up commercial stuff too, commercial
Very
metering.
nice.
So it's like,
Right
this is
on. Not fast.
not going very fast, is it?
All I'm running is Christmas lights.
There you go. So yeah, we tested it and calibrated it and got it all ready to go.
So when does...
Now you gotta have a meter reader come out every once in a while, or once a month.
Yeah, that's what I was going
we,
to ask.
we don't
When-
have meter readers, but it'll be
so
somebody
we'll
from
come
our
out,
shop.
Get the numbers.
Generally me.
Oh, cool.
What's that?
Good.
It's me or Rick or you sometimes
Yeah,
if you get lucky.
it's whoever.
Okay.
Whoever's
Yeah.
available.
Well, it'll give you a chance to get out of the shop,
That's right.
which is always nice.
Yep. Yeah, there's a lot. This is just kind of some of the easy work in our shop. We do a lot of communication work and RF stuff. With the radios and
Cool.
SCADA and all the metering and everything. So yeah, there's a lot of.
Wow.
Did you ever get any of that stuff? Were you able to print out any of that stuff? Or?
No. No, I don't have ink.
Okay. Kind of curious to read some.
How are you an electrician?
Well, for the PUD, but not a licensed residential electrician.
Oh,
But a
okay.
journeyman for metering.
Okay, and how long have you been working for them?
Oh, I'm on my 28th year.
Oh, wow. So you've been there a while.
Yeah.
You should know what's going on then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Shawnee's been here for 14 or 15 or so, I guess. Right?
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just been doing
So that's
this
not
since-
your first meter.
Well, I have only been doing this since
Well,
February, so.
She's been in the shop now she's our newest apprentice.
Sweet.
Yep.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, that should be it. So.
Okay.
You got any questions about that or anything?
Alrighty.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. I don't know. I have a feeling that it just has like that cover on the front of it, so it looks like it's analog, but I'm gonna have to go check it out later. It was too easy. The manager at Benton PUD called me yesterday afternoon and said that what they wanted to put on was that non-communicating device that they brought out yesterday. And I told her absolutely not, because that's even worse than the regular 5G meters they're putting on houses. The other non-communicating device has dirty electricity that makes you sick just the same, if not worse, because it kind of comes out of like the wires. So in your wiring in your house, in your walls, it is coming out all around you instead of just from the 5G box, basically. So that's even worse than what's on my house right now, or what was on my house. So I tried to explain that to her. And people at the electric companies don't like it when you explain their jobs to them. But she told me that they would have to actually pull a analog meter off an old building or something because they just don't even make them anymore. And I said, well, then don't worry about it. I'll get one myself and I'll put it on there. I'll have an electrician put it on there and I'll send you all the info. Don't even worry about it. She said, you can't order them online. And we went back and forth for a while. And she said she'd have to call me back. And she did call me back finally this morning. She said that they found an analog meter for me. So, I've been waiting for them to come now all morning. They were supposed to be here this morning early. And they finally showed up to do that 5-second job. So, okay, let's go back down and check it out. Anyway, I have learned a lot. And Deborah Tavares has her latest video out, unless she's done one within the last 3 days. And it is about 5G meters. And she says they're even going to be swapping out the ones we have now, most people have on their houses now, for a different one that's going to be even worse. And so there's another one coming. So there's that damn hawk. Get out of here. Hey! 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 Get out of here! Oh, I'm so taking you out. He's chasing my doves. Bad bird. Keep going. Anyway, Deborah Tavares, check out her latest video. It's turning just like the good old days. You know, we used meters like this for the last century, and there's nothing wrong with them. They just don't spy on us, on our energy usage, on everything. I think it's real. I think it's real. I think I did it, guys. And if I can do it, you can all do it. Let's take back our world. I'll walk by this thing every single morning, feeding my chickens out under the tree out back, and we put in these stairs when we moved in, and it's right there, right on the side of the house. It's just zapping me all the time, and right outside my bedroom. Hello. So, I expect all you guys to have learned a whole lot here, and please do some research yourselves, and let's take 5G out while we're at it. All we have to do is stand up. If one little sick, skinny chick can do what I have accomplished, I know all of you can do it too. So, team, let's do this. Much love all.